Once you have a bottom corner and its three adjacent centers, the next step is to permute the top three corners. This is where we get into some algorithms, but before we learn these algorithms, we should learn some notation. First of all, you should hold your Pyramorphinx so that one of the three centers is facing the front. In my case is red. The turns will be made so that the bottom corner is fixed. The turns will be labeled according to the front, left, and right sides. This is an R. That's an R prime. That's an L. That's an L prime. That's an F. That's an F prime. There are only three cases for permuting the top corners. The first case is where two corners need to be switched. Hold it so the two corners are on the right, and do this algorithm. R, L2, F prime, R2, L, F2. An alternative algorithm for this case is to again hold it so the two corners are on the right side and do R, L2, F, L2, R prime, F2, R2, L2. The second case is when all three corners need to be cycled clockwise. Hold the Pyramorphinx in any one of the three positions, and do R, L, F prime, L prime, F, R. The third and final case is when all three corners need to be cycled counterclockwise. Hold it in any one of the three positions, and do L prime, R prime, F, R, F prime, L prime. The last step in solving the Pyramorphinx is to orient the top corners. There are 10 cases for orienting the last three corners. The first case is when this corner needs to be rotated clockwise. The algorithm to solve this is a lot like this OL algorithm on the 3x3, only the U's are going to be replaced with L's. Hold it like this, the corner is here, and do R, L, R prime, L, R, L2, R prime, L2. The second case is when one corner needs to be rotated counterclockwise. Hold it so the corner is here, and do L prime, R prime, L, R prime, L prime, R2, L, R2. The third case is when two corners need to be oriented clockwise. Hold the Pyramorphinx like this, and do L prime, R2, L2, R prime, L2, R2. The fourth case is when two corners need to be oriented counterclockwise. Hold it like this, and do R, L2, R2, L, R2, L2. The fifth case is when two corners are opposite each other. Hold your Pyramorphinx like this, and do R, L, R prime, L prime, R, L, R prime, L prime. The sixth case is when two corners have headlights, like this. It's actually just the inverse of the fifth case. Hold it like this and do L, R, L prime, R prime, L, R, L prime, R prime. The seventh case is when you have three corners oriented like this, where you have two headlights in front and one on the right. Hold the headlights in front and do R, L, R prime, L, R, L prime, R prime, L prime, R, L, R prime, L. The eighth case is just the mirror of the seventh case. Hold the headlights in front and do L prime, R prime, L, R prime, L prime, R, L, R, L prime, R prime, L, R prime. The ninth case is when all three corners need to be oriented clockwise. Hold the Pyramorphinx on any one of the three sides and do L prime, R2, L, R2, L prime, R2, L, R, L prime, R prime, L. The 10th and final case is when all three corners need to be oriented counterclockwise. Again, hold the Pyramorphinx on any one of the three sides and do R, L2, R prime, L2, R, L2, R prime, L prime, R, L, R. Alright guys, that's it for my tutorial on how to solve the Pyramorphinx. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section, and see ya.